Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your MetaMask wallet. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to its extension store. Search for MetaMask and click to add the official extension. Once installed, you'll see the MetaMask Fox icon. It's a good idea to pin this icon to your browser's toolbar for easy access whenever you need it. Next, you'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one using a secret recovery phrase. If you're new, choose Create a New Wallet. Read through the terms of service carefully and accept them. Then, create a robust password. This password will protect your wallet on this specific device. MetaMask will then present your secret recovery phrase, which is typically 12 words long. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Write it down precisely on paper and store it in a very safe, private place, like a fireproof safe. Do not store it digitally and never, ever share it with anyone. To finalize the setup, you'll need to confirm your secret recovery phrase by re-entering the words in the correct order. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet is activated. You can now log in using the password you created. Your wallet is ready to send, receive, and manage your digital assets securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.